Traders, I'm recording my biggest trade yet. I took a double trap right here because we have a nice downtrend working lower. Second entry short didn't have a break below its low, so there was no real trigger. And double trap formed nicely at the EMA. The signal bar was big, so I used very deep limit order. I had no idea that it's going to generate such a significant push down. But this is why I'm using a runner, which means I'm swinging few contracts on my overall position for this exact moment. Because as a trader, you don't really know exactly if you're going to catch major push or not. But in case you do, you want to remain in the game and you want to be able to capitalize on this push down. And right now, this seems to be my biggest runner yet. I've tightened the runner to 53 points, which is already, I think, the biggest runner. I think I got 50 points around that, my biggest runner. But if we're going to make this push down and we're going to lock in around 80 points, that would be the biggest runner so far on two contracts. It's quite late, so I'm going to tighten it tight like this. Hopefully we're going to make the push down. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to tighten the stop loss like this to, let's say, 70 points, because market's going to close soon and I don't want any shenanigans messing with the orders. So we're either going to hit like 70 points or 80 points, which is phenomenal either way. Okay, traders, market is pushing down and our runner got hit 83 points. Oh my god. So this has been the biggest runner I've had so far in my trading career. The big part is because market was really volatile. As you can see, this is significant downtrend and I basically just tighten it above each significant swing right here, and right here, and we managed to get 83 points. Oh my god. Want to incorporate runners? All you need is just one or two trades like these. They will completely change the math. You will create a nice cushion and your win rate doesn't even need to be that high. But if you can capitalize on a market volatility like this and take such a significant market movement, it will really propel you forward.